Listen, if you're just starting out on YouTube and you want to see those initial views as fast as possible, I'll share with you 7 different websites where you can promote your channel for completely free to get views and subscribers fast. And we all know that the best way to grow a YouTube channel is just organically post great content, optimize your content great, and just grow organically. That's the best way to do it. But it wouldn't actually hurt you to get some extra views, especially because it's absolutely free. And if you want to see how I make money with faceless YouTube channels, you can watch an absolutely free tutorial linked in the description box down below. Don't worry, there are no upsells to any courses or coaching programs. It's absolutely free. You can watch it if you want. Let's actually begin with the website number 1. On the first website on our list is this platform, Gab. That's being visited by 7 million people every single month. It's a website that not a lot of people know about. There is a niche of people that are using this, and it's a social media platform called Gab where people are posting different things, pretty much just like on Facebook. So you can join a bunch of groups and you can try to find groups that perhaps reflect what your channel talks about, and you can join those groups which sometimes have hundreds, sometimes have thousands of members, and you can find a creative way to integrate your video promotion there and not just be spammy and just share your links and not provide any value, but provide a little bit of value, provide a little bit of context to why they should actually watch your videos, where you can potentially send some people who are targeted audience to your YouTube channel, who might actually become regular viewers of all the videos you publish in the future, as long as it aligns with what they are interested in. The second website on our list is being visited by over 100 million people every single month. So that's 10 times more than the previous website, and it's called imgur.com. And Imgur is a platform where people are sharing different funny memes and funny facts and interesting things and even fun clips, and some of them can go to the Explorer page and get thousands of views. Like this one got 24,000 views, this one got 120 lakh views, and it's just a funny video. So how you can use this is you can go to the new post section over here. You can create posts that promote your video. So if I have a video that talks about, let's say for example, TikTok creativity program, I would share something interesting from that video, and then I'm going to add a title. And once I add an intriguing title, I'll just paste a link to my YouTube video in the description. So I would say click here to learn for free, and then I would just paste a URL to my YouTube video here, and I would publish it to a community. So you're trying to provide at least a little bit of value, something interesting. You're not trying to be very spammy, or you can actually get some views from this. You can attract target people, and you can also add tags. So for example, I can tag in this case TikTok. So people who are interested in this or TikTok or making money, they might potentially come across my post and might see this video link, and they might click and actually subscribe to my channel. Now this is a bonus website, but you can actually join this free community on Discord where people are supporting each other on YouTube. So they're growing each other's channel, watching each other's video, they're giving each other feedback and sharing experience, and all of that is completely free. So if you want to join that community and network with hundreds of other entrepreneurs from around the world that are also doing YouTube, you can just click on some of the links in the description box down below. Again, it's completely free. If you want to do it, do it. If not, let's go to the next one. Website number 3 is TikTok. Actually, TikTok is combined with creativity program, because now you can actually get paid to drive traffic to your YouTube channel for free. So you can use TikTok to post short clips that promote your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos. And if you're approved for the TikTok creativity program, you can even make money like I previously shared. I literally make thousands of dollars from the creativity program, and we are using all of those views and all of that traffic to send people to different YouTube channels, and you can promote those YouTube channels in your bio, and you can even connect your YouTube channel directly, so people can just click and go directly from TikTok to your YouTube channel. And it's kind of easy to get a lot of views and go viral on TikTok. Another platform that I've been using to get free traffic and another website where you can promote your YouTube channel for free is medium.com. And this is a platform where you can generate articles and blog posts, or you can share articles and blog posts, and if you can get traffic from them, considering that all of this is absolutely free, and those Medium articles are not only ranking high on Google, so you can get traffic from Google, but Medium itself has over 400 million visits every single month. So you might hit their Explorer page and then get free traffic from that. People are reading your articles, you provide value, and then you send them to videos that make sense for that audience. Another free website where you can get traffic and get free views is Threads, and you can actually install this app for free. So this is the app that was published by Meta or Instagram, and it's actually great for getting free traffic, but not going to get you a lot of views. You can publish valuable threads just as you would publish valuable blog posts on medium.com, or you can provide value on Threads and you can hit the explorer page, and then you can use that traffic to send people to your YouTube videos. So if you make fashion tutorials on how people should dress, then you can write a short paragraph, a short thread on Threads app for free, and then at the end you can say, hey, I also made this free video which shows the best summer outfits that you should wear. And we can see that Threads actually now has 160 million users. Another great free website where you can get free traffic and promote your YouTube videos for free to get views and subscribers is Pinterest.com, which now has over 600 million visits every single month. And you can create a page which is in the same niche as your YouTube channel, and you can create these pins. You can literally create this in Canva for completely free. And if you made a video, for example, about 10 unique gift ideas, then I can make a post like this and I can say that they can watch this YouTube video. I will link it, and to share your pin you can just click on create. You add an image here. Let's say I want to promote my videos about summer outfit ideas, then I would add a title, I would write a brief description, and I would just add a link to my YouTube video in this pin, so that when I publish this, people can see this image, they can see what this is all about, and when they view this they can also click on the link and go directly watch the YouTube video. Another great website to get free traffic from traffic is reddit.com, but here you got to be very careful because a lot of communities on Reddit don't allow spamming and promotion, so you would have to actually be very natural and very selective as to how you provide value and how you promote your links. But you can join different Reddit communities. Let's say I'm going to search for TikTok creativity program. Now I can join a bunch of these communities, and if I have a video that talks about TikTok creativity program, I can just promote it here. I can provide it value, and then I can say I made this free tutorial where I share my experience with the creativity program. So it's pretty natural, and again your goal is not to trick people into clicking your link. If they're not interested in that topic, your goal is to attract targeted people that would not only watch that video but watch other videos that you publish on your channel as well. Another free website where you can promote your YouTube channel to get views and subscribers is going to be answers.com, which now has over 24 million visits every single month, and it's this platform where people are asking and answering different questions and different topics. So if you're making history related videos, you can find questions that people are asking regarding history. You can reply to their questions. You can say, hey, I made a more in-depth video on my channel. If you want to watch it, here's a link to it. Or if someone's asking, let's say, how to get six-pack abs, and you have a YouTube channel that talks about or has tutorials on how to get six-pack abs, you can start replying to these questions, and then you can write a brief description, provide some value, and then at the bottom of that reply just give them a link so they can watch the YouTube video for free. If you do appreciate that, just drop a like down below to this video. Make sure to subscribe for more free tutorials, and I'll see you in some of the next video.